The groundbreaking ceremony of the foundation treatment of Abu Qir Marine Port Container Terminal project was held in the coastal city of Alexandria in Egypt on Thursday. It marked the official start of the onshore construction of the project and laid a solid foundation for accelerating the construction of the main body of the project. The terminal was constructed by China Harbor Engineering Company Limited.
阿布基尔集装箱码头项目呢，是在阿布基尔地区要建一个1.2米长的集装箱码头岸线，建成之后呢，能够实现200万标箱的年吞吐量。
因为我们这个项目呢，也是基本上采用属地化的一个资源，基本上所有的这个管理员，包括这个劳务、协作队伍、供应商，基本上都是采用这个埃及属地化的一个资源。这样呢，项目实施的同时呢，大量的为埃及当地，包括周边，去创造大量的这个就业机会。
Upon completion, the project will help to promote local economic and social development and continue to drive local employment.